Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu reports that when he inquired Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu about qunut supplication, he said, "It is recited before the bowing." I, Asim, submitted, "So and so says that you have commanded to recite it after the bowing." He thereupon said, "He tells a lie." Then he narrated the hadith to us. The Prophet ﷺ recited qunut after the bowing for 1 month and prayed to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for the destruction of the Banu Sulaim tribe. He said, he ﷺ dispatched 40 or 70, there is a doubt in their number, reciters of the Quran to the polytheists. So they reneged on the covenant and assassinated them, though there was a truce between them and the Prophet ﷺ. I observed that he ﷺ was so grieved at this event that he had never felt so much gloomy at any event before. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3170.